Hello and welcome to another video of my C++ tutorials. This is the follow-up video on the heap stack video I was talking about in the heap stack video. What we are going to be doing here is we are going to be implementing a stack, which is basically a last in and first out data structure. And for that we will actually be using the linked list we wrote before. So I created a new project called stack up here. And I copied in the linked list.h and the node.h because we need those. So what we do, we go up and we add two functions. Remove from front and is empty. So what we also do, we go to add at front, and when we create the new node, we add the parameter inside the open brackets. Same in the add at back function and in the add after node. So let's go down and implement the two new functions, which are remove from front and is empty. So for that we call it template again, as always, because we haven't seen enough template yet. And is empty, const, and we return head equals 0. So if the head is 0, meaning empty and all, it will return true. In every other case, it will return false. Okay, let's implement the remove from front function. Okay, template class t, and then we do bool linked list remove from front. We have a node in there. So first thing we do, if we check it is empty, because if it's empty we return false. Else we do node t temp node equals head, and then we check if head equals null pointer, and if it is a null pointer, list is empty and we return false. That is this part. So else if the head next is not equal to null pointer, no, wrong one, that is later. If head data equals to the node, then we have temp node equals head. Now we check if head next is not equal to null pointer. Then we go to the next node, and the previous node we basically erase now. So delete temp node, and then temp node equals null pointer, and then return true, because that means we successfully erase the node. We return done or good. So else, do you guys remember that function? We wrote it before from the other remove function. I just take the front part basically. So we delete the head, we set the head to null pointer, we delete temp node equals null pointer, and then we return true again. Just in case everything else fails, we return false. Okay, next we will add a new header file for the stack, and we actually call the header stack. So new file, new number include, and we include linked list, wrong brackets, supposed to be quotation marks. So we create another template class t, and we do class stack. We have public and we have private. So on private we create a new linked list. We call it the stack list in our case. And public we add 4 functions. We have push to the stack, pop to the stack, we check if the stack is empty, and we print the stack. We push to the stack, and the pop is removing the first element. So it's last in and first out. Okay. So do void push const t and data. So we actually define it right here because it's not a lot to do. We actually just do stack list dot add at front data, and then we do bool pop const t and data. We do return stack list. Oh no. Stack list, remove from front data. And then we do bool is stack empty const. We just return stack list dot is empty. And then we do void print stack const stack list dot print list. We may get a few issues with the const values later on. We may have to change some of that. Let's go to the main class. There's a new main class, and we include stack .h. There it is. And the next thing we do, we create a new stack object, stack int, and we call it int stack. So the first thing we do after this, we create a for loop int I equals 0, I smaller 5, I plus plus, and stack.push, we push I into the stack. So we push simple integer numbers into the stack, nothing too complicated. And then we do int stack.print stack. And let's see what's printing out here. Yeah, I figured there's something like this. Oh, forgot the semicolon. And see, there's the const for print list. So we have to go here, print list, and we have to make this print list a const as well. I figured this is gonna happen. So let's do this again. There we go. And we got a lot of values. 0, 1, 0, 2, 1, 0, 3, 2, 1, 0, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So you can see it is always the last in, and this is the first one we actually have to take out in the end. So that's what we're doing with pop. So we start counting from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, that is 5 element. So int stack dot pop 4, and then we print the stack again. See what's happening. There we go. 0, 1, 2, 3. Stack is gone. Okay, let's do this in another for loop for int I equals 0. I equal 5. And then we do I greater or equal to 0, and then we do I minus minus. We start counting from 5 down. So we do int stack pop I, and then we do after each int stack dot print stack. And let's see what's happening. There we go. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 3, 2, 1, 0, 2, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. List is empty. There we go. The list is empty. Perfect. So let's check the isStackEmpty function. If int stack.isStackEmpty, cout stack is empty. Let's see what's happening. Oh, there we go. Stack is empty. Thank you very much for watching, guys. This is it for today. If you like my videos, subscribe to my channel. Support me on Patreon if you'd like to. Whatever you feel like. Thank you for watching, and I wish you a wonderful day. Bye.